Why are there not more people talking about this hidden gem in Arizona? It's called the Wave, and it's like stepping into a dream. This stunning sandstone formation looks like an ocean wave frozen in time. Imagine red, pink, and orange bands swirling and rippling along the rock, creating a surreal, almost fluid appearance. The Wave is not just a visual treat, it's a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Here's the kicker. Only a limited number of visitors are allowed to explore it each day. This keeps its fragile beauty intact and makes each visit a unique experience. If you're a travel enthusiast, this should be at the top of your bucket list. So pack your bags, lace up those hiking boots, and get ready to be awestruck by one of nature's most incredible masterpieces. The Wave is waiting for you.